How to automatically transcribe Zoom meetings in real time. Looking for a way to record and transcribe Zoom meetings? As we all know, Zoom is a video conferencing and virtual meeting platform that allows users to connect remotely and participate in meetings, trainings, and other events. Step 1. Download and install EaseText Audio to Text Converter on your computer. Step 2. Launch the EaseText software, choose the Transcribe option, set the properties in the Project Settings dialog, then click OK. Step 3. Simply join the Zoom meeting as usual. Step 4. Transcribing the Zoom meeting to text in real time with high accuracy. Step 5. Edit the text after transcribed if desired. Step 6. Click the Export button to export meeting transcription text to file. You can choose to save the file as PDF, text, HTML, or doc. And there are benefits of transcribing Zoom meetings. For example, improved accessibility. Transcribing Zoom meetings allows for improved accessibility for participants who are deaf or hard of hearing, because they can follow along with the meeting by reading the transcription. This ensures that everyone is able to participate fully and understand what is being discussed. Better comprehension for non-native speakers. Transcriptions can also be helpful for people who are not fluent in the spoken language of the meeting. They can follow along with the transcription to better understand what is being said. This can be especially important in a multilingual or diverse work environment. Enhanced meeting notes and records. Transcriptions provide a written record of what was discussed and any decisions that were made during the meeting. This can be especially helpful for meetings that involve complex or technical information that may be difficult to recall later on. Time saving. Transcription can save time by allowing you to quickly review key points from the meeting instead of having to listen to the entire recording. It also allows for easy searching for specific information in the meeting. This can be particularly useful for meetings that are long or cover multiple topics. Improved searchability. Transcribing Zoom meetings can also improve searchability of the content in the meeting. It allows users to easily search and locate specific information discussed during the meeting, rather than having to manually review the entire recording. This can be especially useful for meetings that cover a large amount of information. Better collaboration. Transcribing Zoom meetings allows remote team members to review and contribute to the meeting, even if they couldn't attend it physically. This can be especially beneficial for teams that are spread out across different locations or time zones. Free download EaseText Audio to Text Convert to try now.